বালতি তো 600 হয়ে গেল। আমি তো নাকি লাগে 1 ঘন্টা ধরে জল পড়ে যাচ্ছে না।
Hi, sir.
Hi, how are you?
Fine, sir. How are you, sir?
Yes, good. So others are joining?
Sir, 1 minute. My name, I was logged in with the Kiran's account. I will rejoin again, sir, because I am having Kiran's account.
I couldn't follow.
1 minute, sir. I will rejoin again.
Okay.
দু সকাল থেকে চাই চলে যাবে তারপরে তখন চা করা হচ্ছে পায়খানা হচ্ছেই না
Hi, sir.
Hi, how are you?
Fine, sir. Now I am audible, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. 1 minute. Remember, sir. Yes, sir. They are joining it, sir.
Yes, let them join.
Yes, sir.
So have you got that Craft and Dawkins book?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And have you seen how to calculate jet factor there?
There I have searched some, sir. Wait, I will tell you.
Gas properties calculation. Have you seen that chapter?
Sir?
Gas properties.
Yes, sir. That's what I am telling. 1 minute, sir. I will share it. Sir, once remaining members also came, no, sir? Hello, sir.
Evening member.
Once
Sir,
remaining
hi, sir.
members.
Yeah, Tulsi. How are you?
How are you, sir?
Kiran, sir.
Good evening. Good evening.
Hello.
Yes.
Am I audible, sir?
Yes. Yes.
How have you been, sir, these days? Are you feeling
Yeah,
good,
it
sir?
was fine.
You are
Lot
returned,
of
you returned to your
travel.
hometown, sir.
Hometown, I was there for 1 year.
No.
And,
You returned,
Like
you
you
went
said,
to
you are in
Mumbai, no,
Mumbai
sir?
now, sir.
Tell me.
You went to your daughter's home, no, sir? Did you return to your
Yeah,
home?
from there I returned on 7th.
On 7th, sir.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, okay.
Okay, sir.
Sir, once remaining members joined, already joined. Sir.
Yes. Yes. Many of you have joined, and so today I will first start with our second project, the gas energy. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Second project, sir.
Have you prepared any proposal for this artificial lift project?
Proposal means like what, sir? I didn't get it.
We have discussed, no, what we will do for artificial lift. We will examine the existing artificial lift system, and then we will try to
Use the
test
gas which is liberating.
gas air to replace gas lift. Okay, yeah, we want to introduce air lift, and we will study whether it is feasible or not. And you have to make a proposal, and that plus point, fire point, all those parameters. You have to collect few oil samples, and you told already your friends are doing that.
Yes, sir. They
So
are collecting them, sir. They didn't. They are
but
collecting.
you have to finalize your project proposal. No, you have to go to that HOD that you are doing all those things, and if required, sometime we have to go to that ONGC some well also.
Sir, but they are not giving permissions, no, sir. ONGC, the industries are not allowing any students to even visit also. I already tried, sir.
No, internship not permission is not giving, but a special project they may give permission. Anyhow, we should try. Wow, they may decline, but we should try it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So you have to make a plan and proposal.
Yes, sir.
Now coming back to the gas energy. Okay. So what we do when we encounter a gas reservoir, then that gas reservoir may have huge pressure, and that pressure has to, with that pressure it can flow from reservoir to the consumer without any pump or anything, at its own energy. Okay.
Yes, sir.
But what is the problem, that energy or pressure is so high, you cannot send that high pressure gas to the consumers directly. You have to reduce the pressure by any means. Okay.
So this is a third project, no, sir.
Huh?
This is a third project, I think so.
Third project, yes.
Okay, means like you said to we should afford some, no, sir.
You should.
Means we should invest some money in this, no, sir. It's
That
we
is
should have,
secondary. That is secondary. Means if required, we have to invest.
yes, we will change.
You
Okay,
just
sir.
try to follow my whatever I am trying to convey. You try
Means
to
like you said, you
grasp
will
that.
explain about second project, no, sir. I thought this is like third project. Means that's what I'm.
Second, third means this is gas project, yearly project, and simulation project. We have 3 projects. So I am talking gas project now.
Okay, sir.
So, so what is the thought process? Can you tell what I want to convey in gas project? What I want to do?
Like it is, when it is coming, no, sir, it will be having a more pressure that directly cannot be given to the consumer, no, sir.
Huh?
So
So
we are
what we
trying,
do?
we are
You
trying
have to
to
reduce pressure, sir.
How? How they reduce pressure?
to reduce measurements like
You told that it forms hydrates. Why it forms hydrates?
because it forms a means when
High pressure, low temperature, water content is present means high.
Water content is there, so it forms ice. But if it is not water, then there will be no hydrates or no problem. What process goes on in that hydrate formation? How these hydrates forms? Why these hydrates form? In any other places, it is not forming. When we put it this gas pipe, then it is forming. Why?
there are conditions, temperature conditions and pressure
What happens? Temperature condition. What happens to temperature?
Temperature is if temperature is low and pressure is high means hydrates will form, sir.
Temperature why low? It is 25 degree, 30 degree in atmosphere. Why their temperature low? How the temperature? You see that how much effort we have to give for this refrigeration to cool. We have to continuously use that compressor sort of thing for cooling, and there we get automatic cooling. How?
like I don't know. Can you explain, sir?
Yes. So what happens? So we have to reduce pressure. Okay. So what we do? We pass it through a very narrow passage, so that the quantity we pass will be very less. So when it passes through this restricted high pressure gas, passing through this restricted passage, no, it gets cooled. Joule thermal effect. It called Joule thermal effect. It is gets cooled, and that cooling effect actually, whatever moisture is there in atmosphere, it also gets cooled, and it goes to the minus degree, means 0 up to 0 degree there will be no ice. So it goes below 0 degree, then only that atmospheric air, it contains moisture. That moisture gets transformed to water, means liquid, and then further reduce of temperature, it gets solidified with as a ice. So this is the process, cooling process. So temperature goes negative, means minus 10 degree, minus 20 degree, minus 30 degree, minus 40 degree temperature goes down like that. So suppose your Andhra, on an average, the temperature remains 35 to 40 degrees centigrade, is not it?
Yes, sir.
So from 35 to 40 degrees centigrade, the temperature goes to minus 35 to 40 degrees centigrade.
Yeah.
Okay, and that is due to that Joule Thomson cooling effect. So what is that? You can just Google search and read something about that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So in that process, we reduce the pressure to send it the customer end. But it is not necessary if this requirement is not there. Suppose customer can take at reservoir pressure, he can purchase that gas. Then we need not require to pass it in restricted passage and reduce the temperature and create all those hazards like forming ice and hydrates. Is not it? So it was a system requirement, because we cannot send a high pressure gas to the consumer end. Up to this clear?
Yes, sir.
So can anyone tell me again why this hydrate forms? Because you have to learn these things. You have to be capable of telling these things instantaneously. Then only when you have a grip on the subject, then you can think a lot of other ideas. As I am giving you some ideas, because I have witnessed that, I have experienced those things. I am telling that whether you can explain this, what I have told. Who can explain?
Sir, because of three things are totally like one is availability of miscible content of with the gas, and another one is low high pressures and low temperatures. Because of these conditions, we get to form that hydrate.
And that condition, why we are forced to create those conditions? What is the reason for that? Why this high temperature, low pressure, and low pressure, high temperature? Why this situation is coming at all?
That don't know, sir.
I am telling that reservoir pressure is very high. We cannot send that pressure to the consumer end. That's why we require to put some restriction in flow, so that pressure at the consumer end goes very low pressure. And now you got my point? No.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Reservoir pressure high.
And consumer pressure is low. So
Yes,
in
sir.
between, we have to do some mechanism to convert this high pressure gas into low pressure
Low
gas.
pressure gas. Okay, sir.
And that is the requirement. And for that, now what we do, we put a restricted flow, restricted passage.
Yes, sir.
What we call, we put bean. It is called bean or choke. Many names are there. So we use that to reduce that pressure. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So now we can send this high pressure gas to the consumer end with a low pressure gas. So gas transmission problem solved, is not it?
Yes, sir.
But in that way, we are creating a problem. What is called problem is of hydrate formation, which is unnecessarily causing our problem.
Yes, sir.
Now, what we want to do, we want to do same process in a other way, so that here you see in this process, this is the existing process. We take a high pressure gas, we put a bin or choke, and then we supply the low pressure gas. This is the at present condition of transportation. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, and in between, we are not adding any value, we are adding some problem of hydrates.
Yes, sir. Hydrate.
So so our system, we should not say that it is very efficient system, is not it?
Yes, sir.
So can we make some efficient system where we can achieve same functionality? We will take a high pressure gas, we will send a low pressure gas to the consumer. In between, we will
No.
do that, we will reduce the
hydrates.
pressure in such a way that there will be no hydrate formation, there will be some benefit, not a problem.
Problem.
This is the project. We will study on this.
Okay.
How this project sounds to you? It is a good project or it is a bad project? This is the industry problem, and industry means carries all these problems thinking that there is no solution. So we are trying to find a new solution where we will do same thing, we will achieve the same functionality with an added benefits. And until unless when we discuss immediately after that, within 1-2 days, if you cannot make this proposal based on our discussion and send it back to me to counter check whether your thought and my thought is matching or not, then after 3-4 days everything will get evaporated. Nothing you can do after that. So my request, whenever we discuss anything, immediately you make a half-page, one-page document, put it in Google Classroom, send it through WhatsApp, this email, so that we can understand the problems very, very clearly and work towards that. So for this also, you require some permission or a sort of thing, but whatever the equipments you have in your college, that you can use for the testing purpose, then you can try. If the laboratory sort of testing is successful, then we can demonstrate that we can send the gases in this process, and in that process there will be no hydrate formation. At the same time, we can use that energy for some other purpose, means which will be benefit to the producer. Means suppose your ONGC is supplying its gas. Now they can send the gas, at the same time they can get some value out of that energy. They can use this energy for some positive purpose. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So this is the project. And now how you can do that? Okay. In that way, I told you that this Joule-Thomson effect, no, this Joule-Thomson effect, some engineer called Rankine Vortex. Okay, Rankine Vortex, you can write down. He has made a device when this high pressure gas passes through that device. No, this device has no moving parts. It is having a T sort of thing. T means one side it is entering that high pressure gas, and then there are two ends in T. In both the things, one side it will flow the high temperature gas, and one side will flow the cool temperature gas, and that cooling effect can reach up to minus 40 degree. So in that way, we can use this huge decrease in temperature as a ice production or any other purposes, and this is having a huge demand on the market also. In that process, we can generate separate revenue while supplying those gases. I'm trying to share my screen, okay?
Okay, sir.
Now, can you see my screen?
Sir.
Okay. So now this paper has told many things about Rankine vortex except what is no figure given. So image, let us find some image.
Sir, your mic is muted, sir.
I am telling that this is a equipment I will share with you after meeting, and then what we will do. This is 15 to 12 to 15,000 price. So we will test it, and for the testing we require a compressor pressure of 10 bar. 10 bar gas pressure anywhere, and you can find out in your college whether some compressor, there must be some compressors, and whether this experiment can be conducted at your end or not. Okay, this is the gas project. So our objective is to that we will send that reservoir pressure, high pressure gas to a low pressure consumer end, and in between we will use this mechanism to reduce the pressure.
Yep.
And at the same process we will extract the pressure energy. It will convert to the heat energy, so it will have a cooling effect, not heating effect. So that cooling effect we will utilize for some other purposes, for cooling that plant, cooling creating the ice or something, some purposes. So this is the experiment that we want to do in next 2 months.
Sir, you off the screen share, sir. This one.
Yes. Yes, tell me.
Sir, you offered screen share, sir. We are looking you. You are showing that equipment now. We are unable to see.
No, not showing equipment. I will send you equipment details after meeting. Just I am telling that this we will do.
Sir, then where we find this equipment, sir, to check?
I will send everything. I will send you everything.
Okay, sir.
I will, after meeting, I will search again and I will do, but I don't want to spend time on that because we will. Two projects I have discussed, and this project title, planning, this other formalities, whatever is required, you do that. You have already started the projects, and I have not received that. Who is 2%, 2%, 2% is the FPR. FPR means you are responsible for all projects, but FPR means especially suppose I want to know about gas engineering, then that particular two of you should tell and keep track of all those related things. Similarly, two for reservoir simulation, two for air lift. So you have not sent that names, who is doing what. You decide among yourself and don't fight. Mutually you decide this, and all these projects are good projects, so don't worry about that. I prefer this, I prefer that.
Hello, sir.
Okay, and now I am
Hello.
going and sharing my screen, but before that I want to know, have you seen this Kraft and Hawkins book? All of you
Yes,
is
sir.
to tell yes or no.
Sir. Sir.
Sir, we have
Okay.
to select among ourselves, sir. Who will do which project? That one.
Huh?
We have to select groups, sir. That means two people. Whom which project we have to do, that we have to select ourselves. Two members for one project.
Yes.
6 people for 3 projects, like that, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So
But
I suggested that already. We started when first talk was for simulation and reservoir project, and one was the artificial lift project. Okay, so in that you three assigned. I am telling from first group one you join this gas energy project, and second group also one voluntarily join this gas energy project. Gas energy project can be very lucrative project if we can show some positive result. Yes, this can be beneficial to the industry. People will jump to you that you show that how you can do that. Okay, So for that only thing we have to do some want to experiment and see the result. Yes, as we are telling, whether this cooling effect or whatever cooling effect now we get, with that is now against our requirement. It is not beneficial, but that cooling effect we want to use as a benefit. We want to use that cooling effect for ice formation or something, so that it will be a productive item.
Sir, this one, transportation one is there, no, sir?
So
Project.
transportation, it is the transportation, no, reservoir end to I am sending supplier end. So entire gas is being transported, no?
Yeah, sir. The gas project itself, it is called as transportation, right?
No, actually transportation is transportation, changing from one place to other place. So at
Yeah.
present gas is being transported from reservoir. We put a choke at wellhead and then we put a pipe and we take it to the consumer end. So
Mm.
this is the at present transportation process of gas.
Mm.
And we are trying to add some modification in that, so that we can use those pressure energy, that when it is high pressure to low pressure it is decreasing, we
Mm.
are trying to extract that energy to a particular different form. We can even use that energy for means blower, fan blower, high pressure temperature, whether it can be used as a turbine, means it will move a turbine and then it will go to, when it moves the turbine then it temperature goes down, no, then it, that low pressure also go down, and that pressure, low pressure, will go to the consumer, but in between it will run the turbine. So something means I am trying to extract this uh, pressure energy in our favor. This is the project. Any comment?
No, sir. So that first project is like artificial lifting. We have to.
Artificial lifting is simple. We will analyze all the artificial lifts, and then we will, to some extent, we will conclude that overall gas lift is the best way. But as gas is not sufficiently available, we
Yeah.
can whether we can use air or not. But
Yeah.
when we use air, there is a chance of fire and explosion.
Yes, sir.
So if we can avoid fire and explosion, and there is a problem of mixing also, that oil will get mixed with air. Air means there will be nitrogen, there will be hydrogen, so sort of thing. So that will get mixed with the oil. So sometime it may be desirable, sometime it may not be desirable. So this is also another factor which we have to consider. So we are trying to explore whether it can be beneficial or not. We are not telling that it is beneficial, but we can study these things. Is not it?
I have got an idea, sir, when we are studying about this.
Yes. You have one idea now, and when you start with me now, you will have 10, 20 ideas.
Now,
So tell me.
to form fire triangle, which things are needed like fuel and air and burning splint, no, sir? So in this,
Fuel, heat, and the third thing is oxygen.
Yes, sir.
Oxygen, fuel, and heat. These three is required. So one thing we have to cut. That's all.
Yes, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
how to cut it? That you have to plan. That is
Normal-
our study.
Normal oxygen, normal air directly sending into the reservoir is dangerous, sir, because of
So we can
Eliminate
burn fast and then send, as we do in that what I preheater or something we use, no, in oil field, a separator, like that. We do that. There is provision for, we'll burn the air fast, and then burned gas we will send. You got my point.
Yes,
So burnt gas, there will be no oxygen. So we can avoid one parameter. So whether these things are, there can be many other also. So we will examine those possibilities.
We will try to remove oxygen from air, sir. That is the best method to do that.
To remove. How to remove?
Yes, sir.
Easiest is that you burn it.
But burning in the sense we need lot and lot of heat energy, sir, so that we have to waste fuel or electrical energy.
No, not much fuel, because there as that steam engine, no steam engine. What we is not steam engine, petrol engine. What we do, we give some spark and a little bit of fuel in gaseous form. We can add, then it will burn. So we can do. I don't know. Means there can be many other means, but this is our objective. We will study on that. We cannot tell beforehand that this is the best method or this is the bad method.
Okay. Okay, sir.
And then coming back to our main project, the simulation project. So I was talking to you. Have you got that Kraft and Hawkins book?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And all those gas properties, oil properties, calculation formulas are all given in Kraft and Hawkins book. Okay. And those formulas is we have used in reservoir simulation. This is the first thing you are required to do when you go for any reservoir simulation. So in that properties of reservoir fluid video, you can see again what happens when in properties of reservoir fluid, when that reservoir starts flowing, then what are the changes happen, how it affect temperature and pressure, and when it is coming to the zero means atmospheric pressure from reservoir pressure. So what are the changes happened in oil and gas properties? Everything explained in that video. And calculation I am showing today, that is calculated in Excel. And that calculation of Excel file, you can refer to that Kraft and Hawkins book for further learning. Okay. Am I clear up to this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Should I share now my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now you see, you have tried, everybody, have you tried this worksheets, Excel worksheet? I told you to try it. Have you seen these worksheets?
Yes, sir. We have opened, sir.
Seen, sir.
Okay, okay, open, okay, no issue. Have you seen this page?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Very
sir.
good. So you see that how reservoir simulation, what happens, what is meant by reservoir simulation, and what happens during reservoir simulation. All these things, whatever we talk and written in books, no, here I have written in numbers or calculations. Okay. So this is the number is the science. What is that number is the mathematics is the means language of scientist and engineer. So here mathematically everything explained. Yes. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So in mathematics, can you tell why we do require mathematics? Very simple question. From the childhood, you are
To solve
studying
problems.
mathematics. Tell me.
To solve problems, sir.
Calculation purpose.
Yes. So why you require to solve problems?
Because from our daily basic needs onwards, from extreme hard level, there should be mathematics at every stage.
Okay. So very specifically, if we think that why we require mathematics, then suppose there are how many of you are there in our Zoom meeting today?
6 people.
Huh?
6, sir.
60.
6, sir. 6 people.
6 people.
Yes, sir.
Including you, sir. Including you, 6, sir.
Good.
Sir.
So including. So is there any mathematics?
6 sir number.
Yes, sir. There.
It is you are counting, and counting by what? You have counted. Chanchala sir 1, Sadiq is 2, Kiran is 3, like that. Ravi Teja is 4, and you counted. And when this counting, there is no Indian mathematics. You are not doing any calculation here. Is not it? You are using numbers.
Yes, sir.
That's all. So this
sir.
activity do not require any mathematics. Number, it is required number, but mathematics is not number. I am categorically trying to tell you some specific thing which will bring more clarity on your thinking in future endeavor. Whatever you do, you can think on that line. Now, think that you have given a, this is the one pipe. Can you see this pipe?
Yes,
In
sir.
my hand? Can you see this pipe?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay. If I tell you that what is the length of the pipe, what you will do?
Measuring.
How?
We use by measuring scale, sir.
Measuring equipment.
Scale or
Okay. So this is second activity. Do you require any mathematics in that?
For finding length, we don't need any mathematics.
You don't require, no?
No, sir.
For finding length.
You measure length. It is directly you can measure length.
Yes,
Is
sir.
that it?
Yes, sir.
So here also we don't require mathematics.
Yes, sir.
So why do you require mathematics?
To finding volume of the pipe, we need require mathematics.
Now you see, this is this side. This is having a hole. I
Yes,
tell
sir.
you that what is the area of this hole. What you will do?
Calculation, sir.
circle
Mathematics.
area we calculate.
Circle area will calculate.
How you will calculate?
Pi r square.
Huh?
Pi r square.
Where you get r?
R is the radius, sir. That means circles. I mean,
Tell me.
one point of circle to other point of circle distance. It is halved. Half distance of one point of circle to other point of circle.
So how you will get that?
By calculation, by measuring itself.
By measuring. Again, that radius measuring, you don't require mathematics.
Yes, sir.
You can directly put a scale and you can measure the radius.
Yes, sir.
But when you require area, you require mathematics because you cannot measure directly the area. So you know that by your experience that area and radius is related by pi r square formula. So you know radius is easy to measure. So you measure the radius and then you calculate the area. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So there we require mathematics. Is not it?
Yes, sir.
So
Sir,
think of same way, similar way, everywhere those quantities can be counted or measured directly. We don't require to apply mathematics there. But many of the parameters of any system you cannot measure directly. So you measure those things which can be measured directly, and then you calculate, use mathematics and use those measured things to calculate the parameters you cannot measure. So there you require mathematics. Okay,
Mm.
You got my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, here also in reservoir engineering, also there are many parameters what we can directly measure. We don't require mathematics for that. But many parameters are there which we cannot measure directly, and then we require mathematics to calculate those things.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now can you tell me what you can measure when you drill a reservoir? When you have drilled a reservoir, then what you can measure directly, where you need not go for mathematics.
Depth.
Hmm?
Depth, sir.
Depth, okay, very good.
Diameter
Diameter, okay, very good.
and pressure, sir. There will be some
Pressure,
gauges
very
within
good,
the
very
equipment.
good. You go on naming
Temperature.
what you can measure directly in a reservoir parameters.
Temperature.
Yes, very good,
Viscosity.
very good.
I think that's it, sir. Not more than that.
Okay. So temperature, pressure, oil, if you get oil gravity, gas gravity, everything you can measure. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So that is the parameters. It will be our starting of this simulation. Okay. Now what happens when you produce the reservoir? So what happens? What gets changed? When now you got a reservoir, you measured that pressure, temperature, and all those things. Now you started producing. Then what happens?
Pressure
Pressure changes.
changes.
Very good. So pressure changes, and you know that all the reservoir properties directly related to that pressure change. Is not it?
Yes, sir.
So when you here actually I have done that thing. You see 1991 I have put one yellow cell,
Yes, sir. Yellow color.
yellow color. It is the reservoir pressure. It is written here. So when you start production, the pressure immediately starts coming down. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So with that pressure, everything, every parameter related to pressure goes on changing. That change I captured here. You see that I have arbitrarily taken some pressures. These are the arbitrarily I have taken. It is not actually actual pressure drop. I have taken first pressure. It is reservoir pressure measured, and then I think that we cannot produce that reservoir below 300 psi. So up to 300 psi, that flow will cease, and I want to forecast that when this reservoir pressure 1991 to 300 pressure it will deplete, then what will happen to the reservoir and reservoir fluid and all other parameters. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this reservoir, when we have uh, discovered, it has a gas gravity of 0.7. It has a oil gravity of 20 API. Temperature is 120 degree, 183 degree Fahrenheit, and this bubble point is 1137. So this is the main crucial parameter of a reservoir. This is the bubble point. Means if the reservoir pressure is above bubble point, there will be no gas liberation, no gas will form.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is, you see very nicely here written. This pressure is changing 1991 to 1884. I have taken some particular interval. You can change it also. You can take a very close interval. That formula I have used, that you can see that first pressure and then second pressure is the, I have divided this interval by 8, and then I have reduced each interval. So first one is 1884, 1874, 1784, like that it is go on decreasing. Now, as it is bubble point is 1137, you can say this RS is gas volume factor or something. Yes, you can
Gas
change.
solubility, sir.
Now I forgot all those
Solubility.
parameters. So
Gas
you
solubility.
Solubility,
yeah.
sir.
So I forgot now. I don't remember what are all those things. But formula is there. You see that formula is in that formula bar, no? That formula is given. So what is this formula? You can learn from that Kraft and Hawkins book. It is not rocket science. So this formula will work up to bubble point, and there will be no change in RS. So after bubble point it reach, you see this RS changes, and this formula also I think changes, and it solution gas ratio or something, that how it changes. Then the this is compression factor of oil. So how temperature, with temperature that compressibility will go on changing. So like that it has been calculated, and formula is there, and this formula is again in Kraft and Hawkins. So you are readily getting all those things done, and you think this, when I have learned, I am a mechanical engineer, and without no petroleum engineering background, I have learned all those things. Okay, I have joined ONGC, and then directly I was there without any reservoir engineering background. So now formation volume factor of oil, that is also go on changing, you can say. And as there is no gas liberation, so there is no JED, there is no free gas. So JED factor, gas deviation factor, is not having no effect there. Then similarly, this is gas volume factor, a total gas volume factor, something like that. And here this column calculates the recovery. So when this temperature goes from 1991 and 1884, how much oil we can produce, that is there. And based on that, what will be the water saturation, oil saturation, all those things. So when this oil will produce, then oil saturation will decrease, no? So how it will decrease, and all those things calculated here. Similarly, when this gas similarly this gas, how this gas liberate, you see that up to bubble point there will be no gas, so gas saturation is 0 there. So after bubble point, this gas will start evolving, and then slowly gas saturation will go on increasing. And when this oil earlier full of oil saturated, and this is water saturation, combinedly this will be 100. Now oil, water and gas saturation, all three will be there. This is oil, gas, and all these three combinedly it should become some 1 or something 100, like that. And here it is coming 120 SG. So saturation of gas, you check it. I don't remember everything now. And this is the gradient. Gradient means initially it is having no gradient, also will go on decreasing with pressure. And then Mardoit equivalent, initially it is 1.07 Mardoit equivalent. In general, when it is a hydrostatic, then it should be 1. So if it is reservoir pressure is above 1, it can produce self, and like that moderate equivalent you can calculate, and with that you can recovery factor with that rock and fluid compression. These are the things, and here when we require this jet calculation we have done in this formula. This formula is also given that method what I don't remember now what is that method. In this formula, this left side and right side of the equation both contains jet. So it is iterative method of solution jet factor, and jet factor gas deviation factor, that is here, and I think there should be some graph also. I don't know. So this is oil calculation, and correspondingly this Z is coming. You see this Z is coming jet cal. That means in from this sheet this jet factor calculation is coming. E52 jet cal E52 cell. So this figure 0.891 is being calculated here. This is the point E52, and this is the jet calculation. This is the thing. Yeah, E52. So this data is coming from that thing. So this is the thing, and how this graph will behave. This is the actually I have made it in Excel, but here it is showing all in this Google Sheets, no. So it gets changed, and I think you have to now you read that book, and then follow this example also taken from Kraft and Hawkins book. This calculation things. It is written there, but I have made it in a Excel sheet. You see that example 1.7 of Kraft and Hawkins. Okay.
Yes, sir. This is our third project.
If you and all those formulas, whatever we have used, it is also given in. Oh, sorry. Also given in Kraft and Hawkins book. So it will apparently it is a huge subject, but when you systematically study these things, no, it will become like that. Now I remember. I feel it is a this parameter is there, this parameter this there, this parameter is there, and combinedly it is a reservoir simulation. It happens in whatever they in crores we spend to that US simulators, no, whatever they do there, it is the basic thing. This is a basic thing. Now micro level you can expand, go on expanding a lot of functionalities, and but major structure is like that. It will be all the micro level study. If you do, it can shift 5 to 10% maximum. But major thing, if you understand this, then only you will be a good petroleum engineer. So now question comes, with this pressure drop, how recovery will happen? Everything is given in this calculation. Charts are there. You download this and chart, see that leisurely. We'll discuss again when you try it again. And then what happens in this reservoir? This is we have done for you see that LP deck book, page 350, OH displacement efficiency. Now you start a water flooding. So when we studied Sanand field, we thought we got that it is high viscous oil, and there is a possibility of high water cut, and the recovery will be 10 to 15%. So means only 10 to 15% oil we can recover. So what else you can do? What else you can do? That is there. If you go for water flooding, means secondary recovery, then what will happen? If you want if you go for water flooding, then also recovery will be not increased by 1-2%. It will be almost same as depletion drive recovery. Why? Because if you inject water, this water viscosity is very low compared to that oil viscosity of Sanand. So when you inject water, water will bypass oil and it will start producing from the oil reservoir oil. So it will not push the oil to the oil bore. So what else you can do? Here I have done these things. Actually, this is the calculation. This M is mobility factor. This mobility factor 9, mobility factor 1.8, mobility factor. With this factor, mobility factor means the suppose two fluids are there, oil and water, and if they have a similar viscosity, so they have similar mobility factor. But when this oil have high viscosity, then mobility will be for water will be high, and these parameters are quantified that fractional of flow of water and mobility factors. So higher the mobility factor, the more chances that it will water will cut fast and water will produce. So we are required to reduce this mobility factor, and that we can do. We can increase the oil viscosity by adding polymers. So we use polymer for those purpose, and this is called chemical flooding, and this is only field in Sanand where we can use it, because all other fields are oil viscosity is not that high in India. So in any other fields it is not used polymer flooding. Many engineers suggest Sanand you are using polymer flood, why it is not you are not using in other fields like that. But other fields are not suitable candidate for that, and all those things you can know and understand when you can calculate these effects of each parameter, this oil viscosity, water viscosity, mobility factor, all those things. Then only you can tell so boldly that it happens for due to this happens due to this, because you cannot bypass these formulas. No, this we know that this fluid will behave like that, and that mathematically you, when you show and graph, you will know that how reservoir fluid act. So I am not going to explain everything, because when you click it, you will get the formulas, and where it is formula coming, what is the, these are the things you can just spend one day attentively. I think you can learn all those parameters. And if you learn properly, and if you can create those without seeing my this simulation, if you create your own simulation in future, you will be uh, very high demand in oil industry. Then people will come to you that they know reservoir simulation, they can do it in Excel also, and your value will go on increasing. So with this, if you have anything, you can now share.
Sir, calculations in the sense we have to do take the values and do virtually and have to just
Why
post there.
virtually everything is here? Why virtually? What you mean?
means here value is there, sir. For example, reservoir pressure is there. Relatively, if we want to find some other thing like B naught or BG, we have to take that reservoir pressure into consideration and have to calculate and have to write there, right?
Yes,
On
you
paper, we
see,
have to calculate and put.
no, these formulas, suppose you take this case of RS. RS, I have used this formula. So here, whatever these cells are there, no, you see the formula bar, you can see this here. Theme, formula, theme, number, plain text. Here you will find something, just now suppose I am putting a formula 5 and 7 and is equal to this cell into this cell. So first two cells we have put some values, and third cell we have seen this is the formula. Now here you can see, here you will see is the end result, okay, here. But if you want to see this the formula, then you can, here you can click show formula. So you see that, then you'll understand that how which cell F5 and G5 this has been multiplied here. So it will show the formula, and if you switch on like that, then you can see the values. So like that you can see all the formulas used, and try to understand these things. And I tell you, it is not very difficult, but it is requires sincerity. Means a lot of time you have to devote, write it in your notebook, understand that. But this one time effort, if you do, it will be a asset for you lifetime.
Yes,
So this is
sure.
from my side. Now it is open to you.
That means values in that sheet is there, no, sir? And pressure intervals are there, no? There are some pressure intervals like
Yes.
we can take another interval and we can calculate and we can write
Yes,
there, no?
yes, you can do that is in your hand. You are a different reservoir pressure, how the fluid will behave, that you are calculating. So you can
Hmm.
take your own values of pressure, but calculation where pressure is used, that calculation will be based on that pressure. Okay. And
Okay, sir.
I
And that means
feel that if you put more number of points or less number of points, but everything should follow this same thing. If you calculate this reservoir, these parameters, and this field, if the oil viscosity, gravity, all these are parameters are same, then it will fall on those line or graph. What I mean to say. Now tell me. Hello.
sir. Yes, sir. Clear, sir, from my side.
Yes. So now it is ball in your court. You have to make this proposal, whatever required for that. You have to make it in report on first page, and planning also what you will do. And I will send the details about the ranking vortex. And that you can include, but overall this requirement from reservoir to consumer end, transportation of gas and utilization of those gas in for a productive way, that will be our project.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So any other question or?
Mm. Sir, what? How to make the proposal, sir? They if there means that needs any format or else to send you. How?
These are you start work, you search net, you get so many things nowadays. These
Mm.
are the things you should not ask at least me. Okay.
Mm.
So
Sir, no, sir.
you
Means
six are more efficient than me. You can discuss among yourself and finalize all those things. I have given the broad guideline, but I don't enter into micro level.
okay, sir. That's okay, sir. But
Hmm.
we have to keep proposal for you, no, sir. That we are making this
This
project
is
like
this is a project proposal. You want to conduct these studies, something like that. You are trying what is required for you to if it is required to take permission or some information to be given to your HOD or not, something like that. Something you can write me also, include me also in your letter proposal, and if required then we will go to ONGC office and try their approval, but that is later stage. First work there should be appreciable in document. Whenever a person read your document, what you want to do, what is your intention and what you want to achieve, all these things if you can clearly bring in your proposal, then I think you can get funding also, you can get this support also and permission also. So this is up to you how you can write these proposals.
about this project, you'll write, sir.
Yes,
Means
yeah, this project,
ideas
yes,
and all the things you'll write. Okay.
yes. You write that we want to this project plan like that,
Mm.
include as
Mm.
much as dimension on that. Uh, Keeping in mind that what you want to do, why you want to do, what you are end result, like that, everything.
Yes, sir. That means knowing our intention and our need to the industry people in order to get samples and all the things, right? You are
Yes,
asking.
yes.
Okay.
Whatever
Okay.
we
Wanted to just.
discuss, you first make it proposal sort of thing based on that.
Mm. Mm.
And you send to Sadiq send to you, like that you read yourself and you improve on that, and when you get satisfied then you send it to me, sir, we have prepared this three proposal like this, and then if I get satisfied then we can also go to the market or whatever required.
Mm. And proposals are needed, right? We need individual proposals,
Proposal
sir.
means
Six
in the
proposals we
sense
need. So need.
it is planning, project planning.
Mm.
Proposal means it is a project plan. I should say, uh, and that planning. What else is are you are going to do, and why you are going to do? And I told there will be three teams, and all these three teams prepare three proposal. That's all.
Okay, sir. And we'll divide among ourselves. Today we'll
Yeah,
find out, and by tomorrow
finalize
we
and
can,
let me know. Hmm.
which two are in which group. Yes, sir. We'll tell you.
Yes, yes.
Mm. Okay, sir. Thank you.
And finalize the date when you will finalize the project. Today is 12 and fix a date for that. Before that you work on yourself, then you once you satisfied yourself, then you send it to me. So fix a date when you will submit to me.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
And yeah.
I am not telling that you be very serious, over studious, and take pain whole night sitting. But at the same time, don't be so casual that my effort I am spending my time, and many of my activities I have to reschedule due to these things. That should not also go waste. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So by today, what you feel? Any other point or discussion?
Super, sir. Today we got much. We learned much, and our doubts got rectified, sir. That sheet we are not
Ah,
unable to. That you have shown that sheet, no, sir. We are unable to understand that. What is that? We are.
now you got now
Sir,
overall.
we got some idea about it. If we work 1 hour, 2 hours on it, then it will be fine, sir.
Yeah, you work on this again. If you stuck somewhere, you will conduct again another class.
Yes, sir. So kind of. Sir.
I can help you. No issue for that. But you
Okay.
also get involved on that. And that you should tell that, sir, this is this thing, this is this thing, and then you should ask why it is like that. That will be more. Because I forgot all those terminology now. I am not in touch. Mostly I am doing mathematics. Last day I think someone of you were there. I was dealing with that 6-year boy. He is more than a PhD scientist. Whatever he is doing, I can't do that in Python programming and all those
In
things. The
small work, no?
satellite, how to satellite launching, how the pressure temperature, atmospheric pressure temperature, sensing, all those things. And he's done it not only programming, he's done physical model of satellite also. And that physical model of satellites sense all these actual model. And he is involved in some projects, a government project, where he is the leader of that, where he is teaching the students how to make a real satellite which will be launched. It is not a toy satellite, and he is the leader of that class 6 boy. I have uploaded his video, Mandar. You can see his videos also. You will get inspired that a 6 boy can do all those things, and then it is only thing is required your involvement. We do lot of things without much focus in one direction. We require to do lot of things, but we should have a main focus area where we should circle all these activities should circle on those focused area. Then it gives a good result.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so bye. Any other point? Tulsi, Roviteja, Krishnamurti, Sadiq, any other question?
No, sir. Sir, enough for today, sir.
So good night today.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Should I close this meeting?
Yes, sir. You can.
Okay. Okay, then bye.
Yeah. Bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Good night, sir.
Bye.
Good night.
Good night. Good night.